Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute peekaboo bow with a base instead of a tail in the normal manner. And I have attached this to a super soft nylon baby band, so it's perfect for a little baby, and instead of sitting flat on the head like so, it will sit up so it shows in the hair like so. Okay, just put that back on my display and I'll show you everything that you will need. Just give me a second. Didn't work very well that time. So there you go, that's what it looks like at the minute. Just put that to one side, and you will need your glue gun, a nylon baby band, your tape measure, your lighter to heat seal or your ribbon, your extra strength upholstery thread, extra strength thread or pearl thread, anything that isn't cotton so you can cinch properly, your ribbon, your scissors to cut your ribbon, make sure the fabric scissors, and your needle for your stitching. Okay, and I've got everything ready to go here, and we're going to do, this is a 1.5 inch version, and you'll need 2 pieces of 23 centimeters, 1 piece of 12 centimeters for your base, and matching or corresponding 9mm for your middle. Okay, we're going to take our 2 pieces here. I'm just going to heat seal all the ends. That's typical. Sorry, bad habit of mine. I tend to drop my tape measure on the floor as I'm working, so sorry about that for a second. What you do is, once you've heat sealed everything, so I've done all 4 of those ends, is you overlap them by 1.5 centimeters. And what I do to be certain that they're in place, it's a pin about here, turn it round this way, check it again with the tape measure, make sure it's definitely 1.5. If it is, pin again. I'm just going to seal that again like so. Same this end. And then we're going to fold that in half like so. Make sure it's all even all the way along. And then we're going to crease the middle. And what we want to do is you want a tiny little overlap, like I said, 1/4 centimetre, just enough for you to be able to stitch through. Bring that right up against the crease. Okay, can you see? One layer, two layer. And the same the other side. And I'm just going to pin through all of that so we can stitch without anything slipping. Because that's not something we want. Okay, so we're going to stitch right through that crease, and we're going to do our normal 6 to get 3 creases. And we start from above. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take those pins out. 5, 6. Just double check you caught all your layers. And you want in, 1, 2, out, 1, 2, 3 on the back. Try and make stitches as even as possible. And you get that. Wrap that nice and tight. Like so. Tie off. And I'm just going to pop those back in there because they've come out a little bit. And that is your basic peekaboo bow. Like I said, you can do it the same colour, you can do it multiple, you could do a pattern on the top, plain on the bottom, whatever options you wanted. And if you wanted to stop there, you could just do your middle and add your clip like a standard bow. We're going to do this one slightly different. And I will show you a trick if you're not good at getting even points on your tails. I have legitimately just misplaced my tape measure again. I don't edit my videos, by the way. So if you do 1.5 centimeters and pin across and do the same this side. Centimetre and a half. Oh, we'll do it more central. Then fold it to make sure your pins are both. Just even that out. There we go, so they're both in the same place. Now what you can do with your tails is fold like that and cut like so. Fold, cut like that. And both your V shapes will be equal every time. And you can use it any sizes. Like I said, just go down to the amount, the depth you want your spike shape to be. heat seal your edge, I don't want them to fry. There we go. And as you can see, exactly the same both ends. I'm going to fold that in half. Like so. You see, I expected to find the tape measure on the floor, find it on my desk instead. And we're going to go from above. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in, 1, 2, out, 1, 2, 3. We cinch that as normal to get you 3. Very, very thin little creases. Wrap round a couple of times. And then stitch once off in the back. And then what I do is I go right up through that centre. There we go. Can you see? Okay. And then we take a peekaboo. We want that pink at the bottom. And right through there. Go straight up. Twist it so it sits like so. And pull it up nice and tight. And wrap it round. Now, if you want your headband to be extra secure, I like to place it round like so and wrap it into the wrapping like this. At least a couple of times round. And we're going to stitch off in the back as normal. 1, 2, last one. Just cut that excess off. Get your base to sit flat against your headband like so. It's beginning to take shape, as you can see. Move that out of the way. Just have a quick cut. Yeah, there we go. And we're going to heat seal. I'm just going to cut that little bit off there. Going to heat seal that end. We're going to do that from underneath here. We just want a touch of glue on there. And we're going to attach it right from where we've been wrapping round. Make it nice and tight. Okay. Cut your excess off. Move your tails out your way so you don't heat seal anything. Heat seal that a little bit. Put a bit of glue on there. There we go, bit of glue. Wrap that underneath so. Adjust everything so it sits nicely. Take off my glue stringers. Okay, just adjust that middle so it's all centered. And there you go. There you get a nice infant headband. Like I said, it sits upright. Perfect for picture days, things like that, because like I said, you will always be able to see it in the picture. It won't be flat against the head like that. You can do them on fringe clip on your clips instead of the bands, whatever's best for you, and they will stay. Never had so much difficulty. Trying to display a bow before. There we go. So that's what it looks like. Super cute, super simple. You could do it in all the colours that you could possibly imagine. I'm having a pink moment at the moment, as you probably guessed. The nylons are perfect for babies. They are extremely soft. They're extremely safe. They don't tend to mark the child. I would say if you are buying them, get them from a reputable supplier, because you can get some versions from China and some of the bigger stores like AliExpress and whatnot, and not all nylon headbands are equal, and some of the ones from China are very, very small and they are known for marking children's heads. So just be wary of where you're buying from, check the reviews and things like that before purchasing, because like I said, they're not all good quality, and like I said, you want ones, when you open them, you want them to be nice and soft, you want them to be very stretchy. If you are concerned about the join on the bow, you can always add a touch of felt on the back, or I know a lot of people, they have the little bits of ribbon where they have their own like handmade by X, and you can put that on the back, and what you do is you open up the nylon a little bit like so, and you can glue the ribbon cover in there so it doesn't touch the baby's skin or head and cause any discomfort. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please share, like, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell icon for more notifications when I release more videos. It will always be on a Tuesday and Friday, and at the moment I'm going to do a few random ones whenever I have the mood to turn on my camera. So thank you for watching. Please do come and join me over on Facebook as well. If you need any further help on any video that I have got, or you want to show me your work, please do. I absolutely love seeing it and I love helping. So thank you for watching. Bye.